Hi, my name is Lewis. My son and I own the Tint World in Bremerton, Washington, and today is our grand opening. Grand opening today was a blast. We had a bouncy house and we had ice cream and we had a whole bunch of cool cars. We had customers everywhere and it was great to have them come in and be able to show them our shop and our beautiful showroom. They could see all the cool work being done with Tint going on a GT500 and putting on a blind spot monitoring system. It was a great day. Nate and I wanted to put this store in Bremerton because I lived on the Kitsap Peninsula and we wanted to provide a different option for people to customize their vehicles here in this area. You know, customers come in and we like to get to know them and find out about them and their vehicles and sort of what their vision is for their car and help them achieve it. We have options for every budget in every category, whether that's speakers or tint or ceramic coatings or detailing. It's not all about, fancy supercars and those kinds of things. A lot of vehicles that come in here are actually, they're older vehicles and people love them and they've kept them a long time and maybe they want to, do something special to modernize them a little bit. We take a lot of time when we start a job or, beforehand to make sure the customer understands what their options are and what it is they're getting and why they're getting it or why something is needed in order to make this other thing that they want work. When they leave at the end of the day, they go home not just satisfied, but they know more about what they got than when they came in the door. They feel like that we provided them value. I love seeing a smile on somebody's face when they see their new tint job and the face breaks out with a smile, or you turn up the radio and they hear that new subwoofer that just got put in their car. That to me, yeah.